Hi everybody, my name is Aletta Smits. You may remember me from the first workshop I taught you about how to write a good text. I apologized for being sick the day that the second workshop was scheduled, and your teachers and I have agreed that it would be a good idea to provide you with some little movies instead. Um, this movie is therefore, this set of movies basically, is therefore the second part of the workshop on how to write a good text. Now remember, the first part of this workshop was really about the big picture. I was trying to convince you guys that you were telling a story, point one, and that you really had to care about that story, point nine. I was trying to explain to you guys that per paragraph, you need to make a point. And each of those points should drive your text forward. If you made a point, then the next paragraph should make a different point, and the next paragraph should make a different point, and in the end, you will have constructed a structure of points. And that structure only works well if you are able to bridge from the one point to the other point. So you make a point in your first paragraph, and with just one line or just one connection, you can bridge to the second point and the third point and the fourth point, and so forth and so on. After you did that, you basically did the hard work. That was it. That was writing your thesis. Now all you need to do is find notes to sustain all of the points that you're trying to make. And while finding notes, you will often notice that you will either delete point, add points, or change points altogether. And then, after you found those notes, you will start writing the actual text writing, and that's points 6 and 7. I skipped them last time because last time was about the big picture, like I said, and the actual writing of sentences. They're really nicely trying to connect one sentence to another sentence. That is more craftsmanship. That's nitty-gritty details of writing. I love that part. So we have a second workshop dedicated to especially that part. So, in order to explain this to you, and in order to explain why this orientation topic focus, that's what OTF stands for, why orientation topic focus is so important, I need to first really explain what orientation topic and focus are. I might need some 2, maybe even 3 little movies for that. And it might be that halfway during the second movie you're going to think, why? Why? Why, for God's sake, is this woman going on about this all the time? I promise you, it will be relevant. So I'm asking you, please bear with me while I explain to you in the next movie why orientation, topic, and focus are so incredibly important.